You could try turn off the sun, I'm still gonna shine away, yeah, and tell everyone we're having some fun today. We can go wherever you wanna and do whatever you like. Let's just have a real good time. I just wanna spread love and peace and all of my happiness, yeah, to everyone that I meet, 'cause I'm feeling spectacular. I love it when we love one another. Give thanks every day for this life, even with a smile on my face. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Spread peace on the earth, cherish the love that is around us. Spread peace on the earth, treasure the love that is around us. Always be kind, always remind one another.
Di training ISG karakter building for Peace dan Peace Palembang untuk kalian juga semuanya. Alhamdulillah beralamin.
Yes, betul kata teman kita. Yang pertama, kenapa di Yesus punya sapaan pagi? Kebiasaannya yaitu biar tetap semangat. Yang kedua, dia menambah apa tadi? Mempererat tali persaudaraan kita. Keren ini. Pagi. Ini turun jadi 95, tetap di level 100. Pagi. Siap. Semangat. Pagi. Siap. Semangat. Angkat tangan kanan ke atas. Are you ready? Level 100. Are you ready? Are you ready? ISQ. ISQ. Kids Palembang. 3 kali cepat. Kids Palembang. Sekali lagi. Kids Palembang. Tepuk tangan dulu semua. Kids Palembang. Kids Palembang. Tepuk tangan dulu semuanya. Alhamdulillah.
This is the time of
can dance. I don't want it to end. Feels so good, feels so real. Here we go, this is the time of our life. Here we go, this is the time of our life. Come on. Here we go, this is the time of our life, the time of our life. Here we go, this is the time of our life. What we see, destiny. Realize now we know the greater show.
Teman, fokus lagi teman. Kamu bisa. Angkat tangan kirinya, lihat teman sebelah kiri, tepuk pundaknya. Teman. Belum? Tambah lagi semangatnya ayah bunda. Pagi. Sudah semangat belum? Masih kurang. Tambah lagi semangatnya ayah bunda. Pagi. Sudah belum? Yes you. Ayah bunda. Yes. Tepuk tangan untuk ayah bunda juga.
I wonder why you and me fight each other. Don't you see the similarities between us? Take a minute and see yourself in the mirror. You look like me. Those eyes, lips, you can deny. Have you thought about why we
Aku ingin dekat kepadamu, ya Allah. Sayangi ayahku, ya Allah. Sama ibuku, ya Allah. Ya Allah. Tolong kami. Aku ingin dekat denganmu, ya Allah. Aku menyesal.